how did you meet the Lnsptblvd guys?
My uncle, Young, got me into motorcycles. He's like, oh, you should. He knew I was into motorcycles or whatever, so I moved. I lived with him for a little bit. I moved from Florida, and he's like, oh, let's build a bike. I was like, all right, sweet. And then I didn't even know how to ride a bike back then. And then we found a bike. He helped me build it, and I was like, hey, he wanted to chop it right away. I'm like, shouldn't I learn how to ride a bike first? He's like, no, fuck that shit. I was like, all right. So he helped me build a bike. He did most of the work because I had no idea what I was doing. And then we rode around the neighborhood for a little bit to get me familiar with riding a bike and stuff, and it was cool. And then he's like, let's ride with the boys. And back then there was like, I think like 7 or 8 of us or whatever. And then we all rode together, like all 8 of us, like everyone. And I was like, damn, like I never rode with that many people, and I was like, it's pretty like a adrenaline rush, It was I think it was a '93 Honda Shadow 600. I chose that bike because my uncle said to. So I had no idea about about bikes and stuff, and I saw his was sick as fuck. So I just like, let's get the same bike, and then he helped me, chop it like how we did back then and stuff like that. But I was kind of into sports bike, and he actually had a sports bike, and I want to buy his sports bike, and he's like, nah, that's whack. Let's get a bobber. I was like, what the fuck's a bobber? But whatever, like if it looks like your bike, then hell yeah. I think it would be SoCal for the Born Free show. I think it was Born Free 5. Back then I didn't know the guys that well, and they're all like, let's go to Born Free, and I was like, all right. And then so we had this thing where like we try to ride all the way, get our all the way badge, whatever. I think I've been to like 4 or 5 Born Frees, and I always try to ride all the way, but something always happens or whatever. But I think I got my all the way there, all the way back, the last Born Free. But then my bike fell apart, like the tank broke. There's a cheap ass tire I had chunk of it melted off. I think it was like over 100 degrees that day. And then like my pegs fell off,
not enough lock time,
whatever, And then that's the last time I rode my Shadow. I think it was the time we had our annual trip. It was a Highway 36 up north, way up north. We were going uphill in some twisties, and I was taking a turn too fast, and then my pipe is like hella low. So when I was turning, like I guess my pipe was scraping, and I lifted up the tire a little bit or whatever, and then instead of turning, I went straight, and then on my left was a fucking cliff, and I almost fucking drove off the cliff, but I was able to recover. And I went in the gravel and shit. I thought I was gonna die. I think I closed my eyes for a second because I was like, all right, this is my time. But I was able to recover, and then I was on the opposite side of the lane, and I was like, oh my god, I could have fucking died. And then I look up, and there's a fucking semi-truck, not semi-truck, but like a truck or whatever, a big ass truck coming by, and I was like, fuck! I swerved out just in time. But I mean, I'm pretty sure he was hella far away, but in my head it felt like he was an inch away from hitting me, And then I was able to recover, and that was my close call. I guess it kind of depends, like sometimes you just want to hop on your bike and ride, you don't want to be like, oh hey, anyone want to ride, and then have to wait for them to get ready or whatever. Sometimes it's nice riding by yourself, but I think I kind of prefer riding with a group, just like mobbing hella deep, you feel fucking cool and shit, riding with your boys. And that's always fun, like people, breaking neck and shit like that, that's always cool. The whole shooting the shit with your friends kind of thing is what I enjoy most. Actually, I don't even like the bike building process. Just like the shooting the shit part, you know. And then it's funny because like you're trying to finish this bike, but then when your friends are over, like you end up never doing anything. And then just like the the finished product, of course, like the whole process of building and just doing the research, talking to people about their ideas and their what they like about bikes and stuff, and like bouncing ideas off of other people. That's what I enjoy most. Camping trip that we have every year. I personally love camping, and a lot of the other guys, like, they love camping too. Boo is the one that actually got me into camping, because in Florida I was never outdoorsy or whatever at all, and he's like, oh, let's go camping, I'll take you to my favorite place. And then we went with a couple other people, and then like I froze my ass off, and it was like very uncomfortable, but I fucking fell in love. And then like this trip, it's two of my favorite things, camping and motorcycles, and it's just cool to do things that I enjoy with my friends.
Tell them all the trophies.
2016 Lnsptblvd People's Choice, and Lnsptblvd Builder's Choice 2016.
What's this one though?
Fuck you! Ah, shit!
What happened to this one?
This is the one that I didn't make. I couldn't make. And then Harley, my goddaughter, took my place. She got robbed by Dennis.
Alright, that shows your tools.
This is my zip ties. Drawer for the zip ties. Boom! Damn it, I need more zip ties. This is not labeled. Oh, it's just double-sided tape.
Is that your bikini strap?
Where? Oh,
No.
Oh man, I thought I found it. Rivets and staples.
Damn.
And staples, got your rivets. I don't have a rivet gun. Electrical. Ugh.
Ooh.
Bullshit Harbor Freight shit. Oh, what? More electrical? Oh shit, it's messy. Okay, so
Damn,
you know what's
that's
the
legit,
fuck is
dog.
in the thing, Baloo! Oh.
Was it Harbor Freight too?
It's Craftsman. This is Pittsburgh, dog. This is high quality Harbor Freight shit, dog.
Damn.
Most of these are broken.
When was the last time you touched one of them?
Right now.
Stupid.
Screwdrivers. This is not a screwdriver, but whatever. I don't have a lot of drawers, dog.
Pliers.
Pliers. Boo! I don't know why I have this.
It looks manly.
Yeah, that's true. That's probably what I have. Tap die drill. Boo.
There's nothing in those boxes.
Is it?
Damn!
Oh. You wanna tap some shit, bruh? Hammers! Look at this one, Dad. Open your bottles while you hammer shit. Oh fuck, it's broken, dude. And this is miscellaneous and power tools. Harbor Freight shit. You have to replace it at it's one-time use drill, power drills. Alright, you don't have to see this.
Alright, next toolbox.
There's nothing in here. Ooh, look at my keys, dude.
Is it?
Keys. I don't know what these belong to.
Damn, nice sockets.
Thanks, dude.
Harbor Freight.
No. Yes?
Doing it well, bro.
I don't even know why I have these. Just in case.
Damn, you're dangerous, bro. Damn, you're a ninja or something?
I'm Asian, dog. We all ninjas. beers and stuff, or my
Your penis in there?
hard ciders. My hard cider holder. Ooh, Chino packing heat, dog. What's up?
Alright, now we're gonna be talking about his bikes.
I need a new tank, which I have. And then I need to find my seat I have somewhere in a box. I kind of want to make it look more, you know, nice. When I built it, it was pretty janky because I didn't care. I just wanted to ride it, you know. Trying to make it more nice.
Are you gonna be doing the Lnsplt build off this year?
I want to.
What?
I want to. Well, we have like a month.
2 months. 2 months.
Oh, 2 months?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's the end of May.
Oh, then yeah, probably. I just need a seat, a battery, pipes, pegs.
Are you keeping that electrical box, or are you gonna replace a different one?
Depends how lazy I am. This is a bitch to get out. Probably change it.
What about the color scheme? Are you gonna change it up, or are you gonna keep it the same?
I don't know. I've been through. I had like olive green. I had this teal. I had red. I had this silver. I was gonna put the Springer on this, but I threw it on the Harley instead.
All right, let's talk about your shovel.
Ah! Yes. This is a shovel I got for, you know, our Lnsplt build off chopper one. Unfortunately, as you all know, it didn't make it.
Why?
Couldn't get the brakes to work. I think I have some carb problems, some ignition problem, and I didn't get it running because I waited the last month to build it.
What kind of blue is this? Did it come off a car, or did you just come up with the color?
It came off of a car. I think it was like a Honda Civic, but then that was a custom color also, so I have no idea.
Oh, so you got inspired by the color?
Yeah. This is actually the exact color.
Wow.
of that car.
So what front end is this?
I'm not sure. It's not a DNA. Just kidding, it is.
Looks good with the chrome.
Yeah, I have I forgot what brand that was. The
332 choppers?
Yeah, 3-2 chopper wishbone. I'm gonna replace it. This one with that. The B blocker.
From old stuff?
Yeah.
Sick.
Shit's tight. Alright, that's the wrap for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.
How does it feel to be an Asian outlaw biker?
It's fucking rough, dude. You have to fucking wear full leathers, Levi jeans all the fucking time. You have to rev extra loud at every stoplight, and especially under the bridge because that amplifies the noise, you know. You gotta do it. And then you always have to make sure your chrome is shiny as fuck.